Welcome to Learning Mathematics with Mr. K. Today we are going to be looking at sequence. And sequence is a list of numbers that are in order. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9 are a set of sequence separated by comma and enclosed by the bracket. Now, 3 is the first term, while 5 is the second term. 7 is the third term, 9 is the fourth term, and so on. That is a sequence. And this is term by term. We've got 4 terms in this sequence. Now, we want to see what is happening in between these terms, whether they are increasing or decreasing. And as you can see, 3 add 2 gives 5, and 5 add 2 also gives 7. 7 add 2 gives 9. We can see that the increment is constant. So that means this particular sequence is called linear sequence. Why? Because it's going up by 2 every time. It's not changing. The rate at which it's going up is constant at every time. Okay, let's quickly look at another good example of a linear sequence. Another example of a linear sequence. All right. Now, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, separated by comma and enclosed by the bracket. And as you can see, this is going up by 2 at every time. It's going down by 2 at every time. That is negative 2. 9 take away 2 gives 7. 7 take away 2 gives 5. 5 take away 2 gives 3. 3 take away 2 gives 1. It's going down by 2. So it's also a linear sequence because the rate at which it's going down is constant. At every time, it's going down by 2. Another good example is 1, 7, 13, 19, and 25. And from this sequence, we can see that it's going up by 6. It's going up by positive 6. This is also an example of a linear sequence because the rate at which it's going up is constant. 6 at every time. 6 at every time. So these two examples are called linear sequence. Linear sequence. In my next video, I'm going to show you how we can generate n term from a given sequence and how you can use the n term to generate the list of sequence when given. Thank you. See you in my next video.